friends, and welcome back to Old Mill Homestead. So today I'm going to show you some of the updates on the homestead. So we talked about the fact that we don't have a lot of shade in the front yard for the goats, so we did a little adding today. We brought this umbrella out and we actually had to attach it to the decking because it will blow over. So in the afternoon, we do get some afternoon, and it keeps going out. It's about 3 o'clock now, so it'll keep going out on all sides of the house. But then we added this to throw out some over here. What I've been doing so far though is that I either let them out super early in the morning and have them up by 10 or 11, or I wait till that late afternoon, about 3:30 or 4, because there is a little bit of shade over there, and I'll put them over there. Let me show you a very exciting update in the garden. Here is an overview of our garden. Look how pretty that looks. So nice and tilled up and pretty. And what do we have here? Some tomatoes. So yes, we've got some things actually blooming. That's super exciting. We have, I think, 4 tomatoes that I counted yesterday. Here's some of our cosmos, and then the rest of the updates are in the goat yard. Everybody says hey. So the first update is we got another barrel for them. It had a little bit of grease on it, so we're letting it sit out for a minute. This is supplies. This is an old barrel that has been broken down from them standing on it. But so we have this that we're going to add in there. This is our supplies for the goat house and run, and then our water catchment over there, the sweet goats. And then obviously, as you can tell, the hay got done today. So hopefully he'll be back either today or tomorrow to finish belling that up. And we will see if I can actually get in the goat yard, because they're strong. Okay, here's an up close. There's little Lily of the goats. Rue and Java, Miss Mocha, Blackie, and Maggie. So the newest addition is the chicken coop, which is about 85% done. So this is 8 wide by 16 long. So it's a huge coop. Let me see if I can step over this without getting shocked. We had to put a hot wire up here, and I'll show you why in a second. So here's the inside. We've got some ventilation up here. We will add some hardware cloth up there, and I'll show you an overview of all this once it's done. You can see we have space here. We're gonna put 1x4s on all the corners. We've got some ventilation up at the front that will also have some hardware cloth at. This is where our door is gonna be, and it's gonna be wide enough to well, as y'all saw, that didn't work out well. Anyway, it's gonna be wide enough to get a wheelbarrow in here. We've got to come back and take these off, all the screws all the way down. We'll have roosting areas back here and some nesting boxes either over there or over here. We also have an automatic door that we're gonna put here for the chickens. So the main reason we went with an automatic door is because we are on call 24/7, and so we might be on a call for hours and not be able to get back. And I want to do everything I can to keep the chickens as safe as possible. So with the automatic door, we'll have it set. They'll be in a run as well, and then they'll also have the run of this area. So they're gonna have all of the goat yard to do whatever they want to do in, but they'll also have an 8x16 run here covered that they can do whatever they want to do in. And then here's Miss Maggie saying hello. So we had to put the wire up because it's a good thing. You can see the paw prints of the goats on here, so we had to run a hot wire all the way around. You can see where Mocha, the baby goat, had started chewing right there. I mean, they've chewed quite a bit. That's where we ran they've chewed quite a bit of their house. We've got to make some repairs on it. We are doing an expansion on the goat yard as well, or the goat house. We're gonna enclose this area. So we're gonna push this top up, and then we're gonna enclose this side and this side so that they'll have a second entrance. So they'll have this whole area enclosed and that whole area. That just helps with trying to get in there. So yeah, so that's our updates on the homestead. So now I'm going to go turn the fence off so I can repair what Mr. Rude just broke. And then we have dentist appointments today. So we will see you guys in the next one. I hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you later, friends. Bye.